Okay, girls. So now today we will have a revision on 3D shapes. Okay, let's see what we are going to revise. Okay, 3D shapes. Now before that, let's have a warm-up exercise. Okay, so first of all, let me.
Vienna, stop drawing.
Yeah, because it will show your name now. Okay. Now, so let's play a game, okay, about my reading, okay? Think of a two-digit number in your mind, okay, any two-digit number. That means from 10 to 99, and don't let me know the number. So first of all, you have to find the sum of the digits in the tens place and units place. For example, if you think a number which is a 23, so tens place would be 2, units place would be 3, then the sum is 2 plus 3, which is 5. Okay, so this is the sum. And then you have to find the difference between the two-digit number, okay, that means in your mind, and the sum. That means find the difference of them, okay? Subtract them. That means 23 minus 5, okay? And then keep the number of this difference in your mind, and then no need to tell me, okay? So, can you think of a number and then calculate right now? And then find the difference and then keep it in your mind. No need to tell me, no need to write it down. Is that clear?
Yes, very clear.
Very clear. That's good. So teachers, you may also play this game together.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will show you some symbol. Okay. So you have to find the corresponding symbol next to the number of your difference. Okay. For example, if the difference is, for example, 74, let's say, then the symbol of the number is this one, the heart. Okay. So for example, if your difference is 72, that means the symbol is triangle. Okay. So I give you a few seconds to find your symbol. Okay. Now, Mr. Chiu, okay, will guess, okay, what symbol?
Can you show the type mode, the instruction?
Instruction again. This one, okay. Think a two-digit number. Find the sum of the tens place and units place. Use that number minus that sum. Find that difference. Okay.
How can you guess it?
Okay, let me think of your number. Okay.
Do they have to show you the symbol?
Let me guess. Let Mr. Chiu guess. Okay. I guess your number symbol is this one. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes. Oh my God, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Let's try one more. Okay. Let's try again.
Mr. Hill.
Yeah, I can guess your mind because, okay, I know what you're thinking.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Okay, now let's try once again.
mind reading a superpower.
Yes, I have the power of mind reading. Yeah. So think of a two-digit number. Okay, this is repeat. Okay, let's play it again. Okay. Now let's see whether my power can keep it on. Okay. Now you may think another two-digit number. Okay. And then find the sum of tens place and units place. Find the difference of them. Okay. So are you ready this time?
Can you show that page again?
Teachers, are you ready? Okay, let's see. Find the number. Okay. Remember that symbol.
Ooh.
Remember that symbol?
Yes.
Yeah, you find your own number. For example, if your number, if the difference is 24, that means that is a triangle. Okay. If your difference is
Okay.
31, that means a heart. Okay, now
Okay.
now
You
let's
can guess.
think. Let me think your number. So this time I guess your number should be this one.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, is this funny?
How can you do that?
You
點
have
解全部人個
superpower.
symbol 都一樣㗎？
Can you guess what?
你係咪求其揀一個嘅啫？
我嗰個唔係嘅，
可能大家個即係如果可能大家個數字都一樣咁，即係如果係嗰啲全部 symbol 都係8%同一樣嘢，咁咪
啊，你真係好聰明啊你。好啦，嗱我哋玩最後一次。OK，let's play.
我就係零啊。
Let's play one more time. Okay, let's play one more time. If this is wrong, that means you calculate the wrong difference. Okay, now let's play again. Okay, again, think a two-digit number, any two-digit number. Okay.
Okay.
For example, 2 4s. Okay, 24. That means 2 plus 4. Okay. If your number is 63, that means 6 plus 3. Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
And then use that number.
No, I'm not done.
Okay. Give you a few more seconds.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Let me show the symbol.
Yes,
Okay, the symbol will be like this.
Mr. Hill，你最後會唔會將呢個 PowerPoint 擺個
Yeah. I can upload to Google
okay.
Classroom, let you know. Okay.
OK？
Okay. Can you find the number? Find the symbol.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
好啦，我又要運功啦。OK，等我諗下先。
No, you didn't think. No, you didn't really think it.
Mr. Chen, can you guess what's the symbol?
你一早知道個答案㗎。
It's hard. It's hard.
Very hard.
Very hard.
Okay. Let me think.
You
Okay.
didn't think.
It should be this one.
OK。
我發覺咧有一個橋啊。Chloe, are you reading your
No,
mind?
I don't think
That
so.
means I can
That's
read your
correct for
mind.
me. 係啊，佢嗰個好似過山
你
關
read 到我哋個 mind 嘅咧，即係咧我哋係拉
波
㗎。
咁，好似踢波咁樣。
Okay, I will tell you how can I do that on.
全部都係代表零啊嘛，咁
Okay.
大家都係一
No
樣。
lah, don't
呢
tell
啲
them.
奧數嚟
Don't
㗎
tell
喎。
them, right? You may think about this, okay? How can I do that?
其實我明嘅。
My symbol is not the TT, this one.
I can upload the PowerPoint to Google Classroom, and then you can think about how can.
嚇！我 print 咗 screen，然之後 crop 咗佢成張
Yeah,
print 出嚟喎。
you can print screen or okay. I will upload the PowerPoint actually. Nah, okay. This is a funny one of games. Okay,
I actually like this.
it's quite good,
Not
Yeah.
funny.
quite funny. Yeah, I can read your mind.
Funny.
It's not funny but fun.
Yeah.
Now let's
It's
revise. Okay, what you have learned. Okay, we have learned 3D shapes during our online lesson. Okay, so first of all, you should know these 3 keywords. Okay, the first one is called face, and then the other one is edge, and then vertex. Okay, now what are they? So first of all, let's revise what is meant by face. Now a face, the surface of a 3D shape is called a face. Okay, so maybe the question will ask you how many faces are there in a triangular prism, how many faces are there in a rectangular pyramid. Okay, something like that. And then the second keyword you should know is edge. Edge, okay, you may not find edge this word in your math book, because in your math book you may find that is called a stick. Okay, but actually an edge means the line where 2 faces meet together. Okay, that means it's just like a stick. This is called edge. Okay, and then the third one you should know is called vertex. So in plural, that is vertex. Okay, So that means the point where three or more edges meet together, that is called a vertex. Okay, so in your textbook, it will say plus the symbol. Now, okay, just a revision, okay, for this one. So can anyone just tell me, okay, what is the name of this shape?
Triangular prism.
Okay, this is very good. A triangular prism, okay? Look at the base of this 3D shape. If this is a triangle, that means this is a triangular something, okay? Because this is a prism, that is triangular prism, okay? So can you tell me how many faces are there?
5.
5.
Yeah, this is easy, right? So you just count, okay, the top face, the bottom face, the two, and then for the size face, there are 3 size face because there are 3, totally 3 sides. That means there are 3 plus 2, that is 5. So how about edges? Edges,
9.
that means, yeah, that means 6. Okay, you may find at the top there are 3 sticks, and then the middle there are 3 sticks also, and the bottom there are 3 sticks. So altogether there are totally 9 edges. And how about vertex?
6. 6. 6.
Yes, that is 6. That means you have to count the number of 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is easy. So how about this? What is the name of this?
Hexagonal prism.
So how to spell it? Can you type it in your chat box? Pay attention to the spelling, okay? Because in your assessment, okay, maybe you have to write down the name of some 3D shapes. So usually we will ask a triangular something, rectangular something, and then hexagonal, pentagonal, octagonal. We seldom ask heptagonal. Okay, let me see. So most of you can spell hexagonal prism. Yeah, that's good. Okay, how many? Each space has how many sides?
6.
Okay, of course, 6. Okay, well, hexagon there are 6 sides, right? That means each space has 6 sides. And how many faces are there?
8.
Yeah, because for the side face there are 6 side face, and for the upper face, lower face, altogether it should be 8. And vertex that means.
12.
Now I asked vertex first this time, not edges. Don't mix it up, okay? Don't mix it up, okay? Yeah. Always remember what is the meaning of vertex and edges, okay? Don't mix it up, okay? Vertex, that means the balls, okay? They're totally 12 balls. And edges, that means the sticks. How many sticks are there?
18.
Yes, 18. Okay? Now I will show you, maybe I show you a 3D objects, okay? Can you see this? Is it too dark? Can you see what 3D shapes is it?
I can't see it.
You can see it.
Cuboid.
Yeah. This is a keyboard, okay? So for keyboard, can you spell keyboard for me? Can you type it in your chat box? Keyboard. Beside keyboard, what is the name? What is the other name of it?
Rectangular prism.
Yeah, you can say this is a rectangular prism or keyboard. So during assessment, you may write keyboard or rectangular prism, up to you. Okay, both are correct. But remember, you have to spell correct. So let me see the chat room. So are they correct? Yeah, CUBOI. D, yes, correct. Rectangular prism, also correct. Rectangular. Really? Oh,
哇，
okay.
犀利喎！而家頭先我見到嗰個咪就係
Maybe
一樣
I click this one, pop break. Okay, now you know this is a cuboid, right? Or a rectangular prism. So how many faces are there? You may just tell me or type it in your chat box. 6. Okay. It's easy to count the number of faces. Okay. Upper face, lower face, and then for the side face, because this is a rectangle. Rectangle should have four sides, right? 4 sides, that means there are totally 4 faces for the side face. So you just add 2, the upper one and lower one. That is 6. Okay, so, and then how many vertex are there? Vertex. Still remember what is mean by vertex?
8.
Vertex. Yeah, vertex, that means the just like a ball. Okay, so you may find that totally 1, 2, 3, 4 vertex at the top and 4 vertex, okay, at the bottom. That means 8. So the last question should be how many edges are there?
12.
Yeah, 12. Easy, right? Upper, there are 4 sides, okay, 4 stakes, okay, 4 edges, and the middle there are 4, and then the lower part there are 4. That means 4 times 3, which is 12. Okay, easy to understand, right?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, so can you take out a piece of paper and then draw a table? Okay, draw a table with 9 boxes, and then write down the number of the base, vertex, and edges. Okay, I give you a few, maybe 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute, is that enough? You know what I mean? Okay. So you may draw a table like this. Actually, can you see my face? And then write down the correct answer. Okay. Number of side of the base.
Mr. Chiu, am I correct?
Okay, let's see. Let's see. So, winners. Winners. So the first column should be the number of sides of the base. That means 佢個佢個底有 yeah.
Prism, it is a triangle.
Oh.
So
That
we are
means how
going
many
to find the
sides?
number of sides of that triangle.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah, Katrina, all correct.
Thank you.
Then and Randy again, the first column is not correct. I can see you write down 2 for the size
Not
of the base,
correct.
the number of sides. The number of sides, that means you find the shapes of that prism. For example, a triangular prism, which is a triangle. That means asking you the number of sides of triangle. Okay.
Am I correct?
Let's see. So teachers, you may help me to have a look of the
Hazel,
answer.
Correct. 5D Hazel, you're correct.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Venus is correct. Yeah, Venus.
Correct.
The Venus, wait a second. Let me see your rectangular prism, the number edges.
主要我打咗啲答案喺 chat box 啊。
Oh, okay. Now, Venus, you may have a look at the number of edges of rectangular prism. Is it really 16?
So Bernice, you're correct. Your answer in the chat room is correct.
Yes.
Am I right?
Venus. Yes, all correct.
Vanessa,
Yeah, Venus is correct now. Yeah.
Thank you.
wait,
Mm.
for Vanessa, 5D Vanessa.
Thank you.
You're not correct. Sorry.
Let me see the chat box.
Okay.
Joyce. Let me see. Joyce, you're correct too.
But Vanessa, can you show your answer again?
Vanessa.
5 dot, yes. Seems that I see some mistakes in your answer.
Okay. Now, how about the others? You should try this at home. Okay. Now, so let me show you the answer. So actually, this is the answer. Okay. So I will write it on the PowerPoint. Okay. So first of all, the first column is asking you the number of sides of the base. So for triangular prism, that means a triangle. So how many sides are there? Obviously, this is 3, right? And then this is not asking you the face. So you have to pay attention to the question during assessment, okay? Maybe I will ask you the number of face. Maybe I will ask you the number of vertex, edges, maybe the size. Okay. Oh, the second column is the number of vertex. Vertex, that means the ball. So because it's triangle, there are totally 1, 2, 3 balls, okay, for each triangle. So there are totally 2 triangles. That means 3 plus 3. That is 6, right? Edges, easy. So for one triangle, there are 3 sticks, okay, make up of 3 sticks. So there are total 3 sticks here. And top, there are also 3 sticks. At the middle, there are 1, 2, 3, 3 sticks. That means 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. Okay. So similarly, okay, so for rectangular prism, this is a rectangle, that means 4. And then vertex, that means the ball. Okay, you can see that is 4 plus 4 or 4 times 2, which is 8. And then the number edges, so here there are 4 edges, middle 4 edges, top 4 edges, right? 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. Okay, pentagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, the number of sides is 5. Vertex, again, the top one, okay, there are totally 5 vertex. Bottom, 5 vertex. That is totally 10. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10. For edges, so you have to count the middle one. Okay, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 15. Okay, so it's not difficult for you to find a pattern actually. Can anyone tell me the number of vertex of a prism? Vertex, that means, okay, this set of number is how many times the number of sides of the base. That means I'm asking you 6 is equal to 3 times something. What is that number?
2.
8. Yeah, it's simple, right? 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. That means the number of vertex of a prism is 2 times the number of sides of a base. Okay, this is a pattern. And then the number of edges, that means 9, 12, 15 is how many times the number of sides of the base. That means I'm asking you 3 times what number equals to 9, 4 times what number equals to 12, 5 times what number is equal to 15. What is that number? Can anyone tell me? 3, 4, 5. Okay. Hello? Can anyone tell me? The number of edges of a prism is how many times the number of sides of the base? Wait, this is easy.喂，冇晒聲佢哋。
Venus and Joyce is correct. You're correct.
They show their finger.
Oh,
their
okay, okay. They show their finger.
That's
Okay,
great.
very good. Because I can't see their faces. Okay. Yes,
Oh,
3.
yeah.
Okay. 好 This is prism. So do you still remember this question? Actually, I have asked you in a few weeks ago. See whether you can answer me right now. Now the base, there's one prism. The base of this prism is a 20-side shape. Okay, so may I ask you how many vertices are there? How many edges are there for this prism? So no need to count, you can just calculate. Oh, you may type your answer in chat room. Let me see. Vertex, that means the balls, okay? Plasticine ball. This is a prism, okay? Prism. Yeah, very good. I can see many 40s are there, okay? Yes, this is 40. Because the base, there are 20 sides, that means 20 vertex. So actually for a prism, there's upper and lower sides, okay? That is 40. 20 times 2 is 40. And then how about edges? Okay. Yeah. So you can imagine there's a prism, there are 3 layers, okay? 3 layers. So that means 20 times 3. Yeah, I can see Joyce type 20 times 3. That is 60. Okay? So if you know how to do this question, you should know how to do this one. That's the same. If there's a prism of 100 side shapes, okay? So there are many vertices and many edges. But actually in this world, it is impossible for you to find this prism, right? It's hard to find this. How many vertices are there? Yes, 200. Edges? Yeah. Yeah, okay. So clear. So this is what you have to learn for prism. So now let's revise. What is this? Yeah, this is pyramid. So what is the name of these 3D shapes? You may type or you may just tell me what is the name of these 3D shapes. Yeah, I know that is a pyramid. but what is the full name of it? Yes, some of you type triangular pyramid. Is that correct? Quadrilateral pyramid. What else? Quadrilateral? 咦，佢哋話 unmute 唔到喎，
unmute 唔到。
講唔到嘢喎，唔該撳靜。
冇 set 過嘢喎。嚇？
邊個 shape 邊個 shape？
The one showing on the PowerPoint, what is that 3D shapes? Yes, some of you write down rectangular pyramid, and some put down quadrilateral pyramid.
So, which is correct? Triangular pyramid, is that correct?
So look at the base of that pyramid.
When you name a 3D shape, you should have looked at the base of it. So for the base of it, you can see that is a
Look at the base. Which face is the base?
So this is the base. Okay.
Yes. So the base is a rectangle, right?
Rectangle or quadrilateral. Okay.
All the triangles are side faces. So don't mix them up.
So you can say this is a rectangular pyramid or a quadrilateral pyramid. Okay, but don't say this is a triangular pyramid. Okay. Yeah. So for the face, very easy. So there should be one face at the bottom. And then you have to count the number of faces, the side faces. Because there are totally 4 sides, that means there should be 4 faces, 4 side face plus 1 bottom face, that is 5. So for edges, for rectangle, there are totally 4 sides, that means 4 edges at the bottom. And then you have to count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? The edges at the top, that means 10. So for vertex, that means you have to count the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle has 4 vertex, and then plus 1.
Let's do this.
Okay, clear. It's not difficult. So how about this one? You know how to spell? What pyramid is it?
Hexagonal pyramid.
Yeah, hexagonal pyramid, okay.
It's pentagon. Mr. Chu is pentagon.
Yeah,
this is
Pentagonal pyramid.
Yeah. Pentagonal pyramid.
这个 is a 2D shape. Use.
So for faces, how many faces?
6.
Yeah,
6.
easy. Edges. Edges, that means the stick.
10.
Vertex, the balls.
6.
6.
Easy, right? Oh, I show you again. 3D shapes, okay? Can you see this?
No.
Yeah.
What pyramid is it?
Triangular pyramid.
Yeah, first of all, you have to have a look at the base of the pyramid, okay? Because this is a triangle. That means this is a triangular pyramid. Easy, right? So how many faces are there? Faces?
4.
4, yes, because so the lower base, 1, okay, 1 face. And then because this is triangle, triangle has 3 faces, 1, 2, 3. That means 3 plus 1 is 4. So how about vertex?
4 vertex.
Yeah.
and 6 edges.
Very good. Okay, don't mix up vertex and edges. Vertex, that is the balls. Okay, and then because this is triangle, triangle has 3 sides. That means there are 1, 2, 3. You can imagine there are 3 balls. Okay, for a triangle. And then at the top, because a pyramid, there should be a point. Okay, for a pyramid. That means 3 plus 1. That is 4. So finally, you should know I'm asking you the number of edges. So Kara already answered to me. Okay, 6 edges. Okay, for the base there are 3 edges, and then there are 3 edges to at the top, right? That is 3 plus 3. That is 6. Okay, not difficult, right? If this is not difficult, let's do some practice. Okay, let's do some practice. Just like prism. Okay, I'll show you a table like this. Can you find all these numbers, the number of sides of the base? No, not the face, okay? I'm asking you the number of sides of the base. And then the number of vertex, and then the number of edges. Again, draw a table and then show me your answer. Okay, I give you 1 minute.
Am I correct?
Wow, so fast.
Well,
Let's see.
Yes, you're correct. Katrina.
Am I correct?
Katrina is correct.
Okay,
Am I
thank you.
correct?
Beatrice
Bernice,
is-
Bernice is correct.
Bernice correct, yeah.
Am I correct? 全部都
Yes,
識，
Hazel
但
correct.
係
Yes, very
嗰
good.
Thank
個
you.
乖 staff 嘅。
Wise lab can make you more wise, okay?
Yes.
That's why we are in wise lab.
Please correct to you.
True anyway.
Thank you.
Am I correct?
Eunice, all correct. Very good. Eunice Chan, all correct. Excellent. Venus, all correct.
Joyce Lam of 5C, if you got 1 incorrect.
Am I correct?
Vanessa, all correct. Yeah. Vanessa Chan, all correct. Very good.
Louis, can you put it nearer to the can? Yes, thank you. And upper. It's very small. Can you put it nearer a little bit, Louis? Yes.
Okay, let me see.
It's okay, Louis. Thank you. Correct.
For Genie, 5D Genie, be careful because you are writing 3.
Louis is correct.
For Genie, you be careful about your 3 columns.
Oh, the first column is asking
Yeah,
you
the
the
first
number
column
of
is not-
sides of the base.
The first column.
Yeah， 即係佢個底嗰個 shape 有幾條
Yeah, the number of sides of the
係啦
base.
Julie, 5P, you are correct.
Okay, so correct your answer.
Again, Cherry, for the first column, you're asked to find the number of sides of the base, the base shape.
They may guess I'm asking them the number of faces. I guess they may write for triangle pyramid, they may write 4.
Am I correct?
So please, during examination, okay, assessment, you have to read the question very carefully. Okay, I may ask you the number of sides. I may ask you the number of faces. Okay. Or maybe I can ask you the number of stakes to form a 3D shapes. Okay. So not all the time I'm asking you the face, okay? So this time I will ask you the number of sides. Okay.
Mr. Chiu.
Cherry is okay. Cherry, you're correct.
Okay. Okay, now let's show. Now this is my answer. Okay, you may check it by yourself, like this. Okay, so I will explain. Okay, but this one should be easy, right? Now, first of all, here. So it is asking you the number of sides, okay, but not the number of face. Okay, so that means for triangle pyramid, the base is a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, right? So that's why the answer is 3. For rectangle pyramid, the base is a rectangle. So how many sides are there? 4. Easy. This one is 5. Okay. So vertex. Vertex, that means the balls, okay, to form that 3D shapes. For a triangle, there should be 1, 2, 3 balls because there are 3 sides, right? But for a pyramid, okay, there should be 1 top. Okay, for every pyramid, there should be 1 top, right?
1 pointed top.
1 point top, yeah. That means 3 plus 1, that top one. Okay, so for vertex, that is 3 plus 1, which is 4. For rectangle pyramid is 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, okay? You may see a pattern there. And for edges, okay, edges, that means the stakes, okay? Or the first one, triangular pyramid, the base is a triangle, that means 3 stakes. And then you may find also there 3 stakes, okay, to stand that ball, the top ball, okay? That is 3 plus 3. For the second one, 4 plus 4. The third one is 5 plus 5. Okay, you may also see a pattern there. Okay, now I will ask you this. The number of vertex, that means the second column, of a pyramid is larger than the number of sides of the base by
1.
Yes. And then second, the number of edges, that means the third column, of a pyramid is how many times the number of sides of the base. That means this number is how many times of these column?
Times 2.
Yeah, always times 2, okay? You may find 3 plus 3, that means 3 times 2. 4 plus 4, that is 4 times 2. 5 plus 5 is 5 times 2. So if you know this pattern, you can also answer me this question. The base of a pyramid with 10 sides. So this pyramid has how many vertex? Okay, how many vertex are there for this 10 side shaped pyramid? Vertex, that means at the ball.
11 vertex.
Very good. Because
And
the base
20 edges. 20 edges.
Yes, because the base has 10 sides, that means 10 balls, okay? Length all the sides together. And then there's one top point, right? That is 10 plus 1, that is 11.
20.
Edges for the base, there are 10, and then times 2, which is 20. Okay? Similar. This one, 100. If the base has 100 sides, how many balls are there?
101.
Yeah, very good, because the base already has 100 balls. And then the top one, which is 1, that is 100 plus 1, that is 101. And then edges.
200.
Very good also. Because the base has 100 and then times 2, which is 200. Okay? Now, let's see. Oh, that's the end of this lesson. Now, let's conclude, okay, what you should know, okay, in this chapter. Actually, you must know, okay, how to find, okay, or you actually can count, okay. You should know how to count and find, okay, or calculate, okay, the number of vertex, edges, bases, and number of sides of a prism or a pyramid, okay. That is what you have to learn in this chapter. That's the main point of this chapter, okay.